Hello. Nice. Okay, I sound much better this way. Hey, welcome to our product production demonstration. Just come a step closer. Don't stay this far behind. And if you guys from Intercable want to join, just come a step closer. Just come closer. Great, yeah. Hey, welcome to the Battery Show 2021. My name is Carsten. I'm commercial manager at CHEP. I'm with CHEP for more than 5 years now, coming from the logistics sector basically. And yeah, what are we doing at CHEP? CHEP, as you see, it started all with the sustainability idea. So for a long time now, we are sharing and reusing transport platforms all over the world. We started with FMCG and food producers, just sharing pallets amongst all our customers. Since 1975, we are in Europe sharing everything around the automotive industry. So we have a broad range of containers like this one, which I will show you later on, and JLTs from the VDA norm and other containers which we share and reuse with our customers. So what does share and reuse mean? Basically, you see the circle on the back wall, and this explains it more or less perfectly. So on the top you have a CHEP service center. This is where our containers are stored and where the containers are inspected and washed. From there we are shipping them out to the suppliers of our customers, where they then use the containers for transporting their goods into the manufacturing plants of our customers. Whenever then empty goods are available at our customers, we collect them to the nearest service center, and then we do washing and inspection of the containers over there. So this isn't a closed circle. So this circle is interlocking with other circles. So for example, we have a supplier sitting in Germany. He will get his empty goods from a service center in Germany, shipping into a customer in Spain. The customer in Spain will return in Spain, and we will ship from Spain to other customers located in Spain, so that we're expanding a network around Europe and even globally with our intercontinental products. So we have two product families, one for the domestic flows in Europe and one for intercontinental flows. And what we are showcasing here today is one of our, let's say it's one of our smartest solutions we have so far. So here with me, we have the Macroplastics Eurobin FSC. It's a container we buy from Macroplastics, and what we did is we get it certified for UN9 transportation, so we are allowed to transport lithium-ion batteries in it. We just needed to adjust the lid, so this is not the normal dust cover you may know from this container. This is an overfitting lid with edges to support stackability and transport, and we have sparings here and on the sides for four-way bending to fulfill the certification. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to set up. So we can unfold the side walls, and the container is already erected, so it's just a few seconds, and you can easily do it with one person at all. And on the other hand, together with our customer, we designed this insert. It's specifically made for a module looking like this. So this is actually not a battery module, but it's a 3D print of the outside dimensions. And we created an insert, what you can see here, which is nestable. So whenever we have empty transport, we can place 6 trays into one container. When they are fully used, it's only 3 trays. So imagine for the back transportation, every second container can be folded down. So we are saving lots of space in the empty transportation round. So when we just turn it 180 degrees, you see it now stands on the lower tray. So the tray carries all the weight of the module. So the modules don't need to carry any own weight. And so we could build this now in, and then we can fit 30 modules in there, or up to 400 kilograms. The container itself has a bare load of 900 kilograms. So you see there's still a robust container, but due to certification reasons, we cannot exceed 400 kilograms. It has a big brother, which is a little bit higher. So even if you have more volume inside, we can fit it in there. And they have 2 other brothers, which are from time to time appearing on the video, which are made from the outer dimensions to perfectly fit into ocean containers. And seeing the demo here and showing you this container, we are not married to this container. Yeah, so whenever there is a solution around in the world or at our customers that is fitting better their needs, which makes sense for the whole market from our point of view, then we are open to discuss this. If you stay a little bit and see the video, you will still see that we are showing something else than this solution, because this is the solution we newly discovered and we think this could really make sense at all. So yeah, feel free to stay here, ask some questions. I have Daniel with me who will answer your questions. I have Frank with me. Frank, can you just wait? Frank, can you just wave? So you can ask Frank, you can ask Timo, who is filming actually. So yeah, just stay here. If you like, you can grab one of our goodie bags when you're leaving. And yeah, just feel free to stand by and ask your questions, and thank you for your attention.